Talofa lover, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's great to be back. Hope everyone is doing okay. Today is Sunday morning here in Samoa, and we're starting off very early because we're having a family tour night today. But we're also gonna do a pig on the umu as well. And after doing the umu, I need to go make just one more dish. But that's why we're starting pretty early today. It's a little after 6 now, so we're gonna head to the umukuka now after I have my coffee, and then we're gonna start on the taro and wait for Uncle and Lloyd to join us later. But yeah, just chilling with these guys. It's great to be back, guys. Hope everyone's doing okay. Alright guys, so finally here in the umukuka. I need to find where the asi is to scrape the taro. Always trying to find this. It'll probably be more helpful if I start looking for it on Saturday rather than Sunday morning. Yeah, we could use this. Alright. Alright guys, so finally here in the kitchen. Almost on now, so we've got about 2.5 hours left before night starts, so I've got to get cracking on the Mamoe, the luau and the ita. We're gonna do the luau and the omu, but it's too packed, so we thought might as well do a luau ulu. Yeah, we're gonna get started now. Time is of the essence. Alright guys, so as you saw there, we got the umu is now ready. We just turned over the pig because one side was almost cooked, so we just thought we use the rocks were still hot, so we just turned it to the side and then placed the rocks back on it. But that's done. The Mamoe now is on, the ita is on. I just need to prep the luau and then that'll be on too. Got about 1.5 hours left, so I think plenty of time. It's just the Mamoe I'm worried about in case it's not cooked properly or fefeu, you know. Alright guys, so finished doing the luau, just waiting for a chance to get onto the stove because it's full. Hopefully the fish finishes first and then we'll pop the luau on there. But as you guys saw, it's really difficult. This is why I'm not a big fan of like doing umus and stuff, is because after the umu I have to come back here and cook, and
which is why I prefer the electric oven. But you know, just have to make do with what we can until we fix the electric oven. But yeah, if you guys saw in the morning when I did do the umu, it was pretty early on in the umu where I started covering the umu with coconut husks, the pulu. And the only reason why I did that was because it was super cold in the morning, colder than the usual mornings, but also because it was raining the past few days. So I wanted to trap the heat as much as possible early on. Usually we do that towards the end, but I did it as early on so that none of the heat is lost, because it was really cold in the morning. So it'll be quite hard for the rocks on top to get hot if it's hot on the inside of the omu and really cold on the outside. So that's why we covered it with bulu, the coconut husks, to try and trap the heat inside so the rocks can get hotter quicker. But yeah. Gonna put the luau on in case anyone was wondering if this is pengu. It's actually fat, the coconut fat. That's how cold it is in Samoa this morning. It's still cold right now. That the new is actually coagulated. So yeah, it's actually fat. That's why it's like that. So we're gonna pop this onto the heat. Let's go. Alright guys, passing koma, kailangan velam ya. Fish is done, just the mamoe and the luau left. I added oyster sauce to the mamoe just because I want that umami flavor. So I added oyster sauce to both of them. After that we're gonna hit it with the corn flour, just to thicken it up a bit, and then we should be done. Guys, so I'm gonna add in the cornstarch now, just to thicken it up a bit. Alright, and now we stir. Alright guys, I'm just taking out the excess oil in here. It's just way too much oil here. And then we're gonna leave that cool to make oil for next time we cook. Oil is very expensive now, so always try to save where you can. We used to do this back when I was young, where we'd save more meal, like, you know, ngā opoa and bovi for the falai e lingi the other day, but we'd save it in the fridge. Alright fam, everything's almost done. Luau almost ready. chop suey from Ansel Valley. Rest of the cook is here. Our Mamoe, 2 Mamoe, Swaita, and also totally forgot about the ham. So Lloyd went and took the ham. Ikafui kurum cook. Ale was it airfinger on me, Kumanko. Pay me de ngalu, Yale hamling. Like quite pay a deaf. Of cow your low ham. Maluaya kaku. Pascadim. Alright, fam. Finally finished with about 11 minutes to spare, so I think we did pretty good. What was the cost of getting it all done early? I'm so tired, I don't even think I'll eat today, but for the sake of finishing this video, we're going to get ourselves a plate. I'll show you the results, guys, so give me 10 minutes and we'll get our results ready. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of our episode. Again, if you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you again. Thank you again, guys. Jeez, I'm so out of it right now. I'm just really tired. But I've just also noticed this is our 50th cooking episode on Sunday. So, thank you, guys. I really appreciate it, It's a great achievement. But enough talk, guys. Let's see the food. So we'll start from this side. We've got our Mamoe sakura sosi, soy sauce, garlic, bit of cornstarch, and the oyster sauce. Very tender at the moment. We've got our ham, our last minute ham that we almost forgot about. We've got our ulu breadfruit, got our taro, ovi masima from one of the ko'onga'is, the food, because we've got a family ko'onga'i going on, so this is one of the foods from the family, and then our lu'au. Really good, guys. I'm actually quite enjoying it. Everyone's not here yet, that's why we haven't got the pork yet, because you have to binga it for the table. So we're not gonna binga, we're not gonna cut it up yet, but I've got this just for us, guys, just for the sake of showing you guys the results. But you never know, I might get a plate after this, but it depends. I'm just so tired at the moment. But just want to say thank you, guys, for the support. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you again to everyone showing love for the channel. It is my pleasure to put out great content for you guys, and you guys are able to show the love. So thank you again, guys. I'm gonna sign off now. I'm just gonna head straight to sleep. I'm not even hungry anymore. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, guys. Do all usual stuff, share the channel. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.